Hello guys, good morning. Let's eat for my salad guys. Guys, ito lang yung breakfast ko sa ngayon guys, salad, di ba? Sarap. Mm. 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 So yummy. Mm. Mm. Saka, meron akong coffee. Napakasarap talaga. Lagyan mo na natin ng sugar guys. Hindi pwede mo ng sugar yan. Yan. Diba? Simple lang yung breakfast natin guys. Yan, salad. May salad tayo. Kasi, when I wake up guys, what I'm gonna do, like, brush my teeth, wash my face. And after with that guys, kukuha ako ng bread dyan at i-toast ko yung bread dyan, guys. Yan, mag-toast ako ng bread tapos lagyan ko ng cheddar. That's what I'm doing for the early morning. Kaya after that, at this time, gumawa ko ng salad tapos, ito lang yung breakfast ko, guys. So, salad, diba? Very simple. So, story muna tayo ngayon. I'm always alone here every day. In the daytime. Yeah. So, wala tayong magagawa. Tapos, katapos kong gumawa ng video sa inyo guys, kung anong ginawa ko dito. Mag-cleaning ako ng house. Ayan. Kahit ano-anong gagawin ko. Clean the house. Yeah. And then, if I have time na to relax, I need to relax also, right? So, making videos again. Yeah, and then to show you guys. And then after with that, so watching movie in the basement because have a big screen TV there. Yeah. I have a TV there in the bedroom, guys, but it's nice there in the basement because we have TV there, and then if I want to do exercise, we have an equipments there to use it. So, and then have a sofa there to just relax there like that. Then while I'm watching movie, and then I have my chips, and then eat for the chips like that. So that's what I'm gonna do for the day here. Yeah. So, ito lang yung talagang ginagawa ko every morning. Yeah. Then, kabayan natin ng chips, guys. Very yummy. Yum. After him, even I eat only salad, but I have my cake here, guys. So, so very yummy this cake. Yeah. Ayan, bago ako mag-clean ng house, gumagawa ko ng video sa inyo guys kung anong kinakain ko ngayon. Salad lang guys, napaka-simple. Mayroon tayong cake at saka di pwede wala tayong coffee guys. Ayan, may coffee tayo. Ang sarap talaga pag may coffee, no? Very perfect. For now guys, sukod kayo guys. Ay sus, kanina gumagawa ko ng videos kanina guys kung paano ko ginawa ito. Diba naka-sleeveless lang ako, tapos nung pag ng videos ko guys, dali-dali akong kumuha ng nito kasi napakalamig talaga. Grabe, super cold. Wow, very cold. Yeah. Bilis kong kumuha ng ganito guys. Right. Parang nag-sleeveless ako guys. Parang parang nandun ako sa Pilipinas. Parang think ko lang na parang mahandle ko talaga yung cold. Ayan. Gagawa ko ng gaano ko ba mahandle talaga ang cold. Tinatry ko mag-sleeveless, mag-shirt guys, pero Handle ko naman, pero minsan talaga dapat talaga maging susuot ka ng mga ganito. Yan. Kasi malamig talaga dito, guys. Yeah. Kaya gustuhin mo mang pumunta ng saan-saan, pero hanggang ganyan lang kasi sobrang lamig talaga, guys. Ako, pag umaalis ako dito, punta lang ako sa sa Target, ayan, sa store, kasi bibili ng mga needs na para pang pakain natin, di ba? Sa Menards, Target, ganyan lang. Tapos punta din ako sa Empire Asian store, yeah. But it's a little bit far here. Yeah. So, parang Empire, parang close siya sa pamangkin ko. Yeah. Doon siya. Parang siya ang pinaka-close na store sa pamangkin ko kung saan man, where of my niece she live. I think she's close to that store, the Asian store, Empire. Yeah, so I went there. There are some needs, yeah, like I can eat for the Asian, It's so different, guys. Yeah, we need, we miss the food from the Philippines, yeah. So, pakasarap talaga. Lagyan natin ng dressing, guys. Para sumarap talaga. Yan. Tapos, mamaya, guys, gagawa ko ng ganito. Ayan. Gagawa talaga ako ng ganito. Yung pork, guys. And inano ko muna yung pork, guys. Para, ayan. Ano tayo dito yan. Gagawin ko ito. Yan. Nag-slice na ako. Ayan, guys. So, gagawin ko yun mamaya. Yun yung dinner na. Yun yung dinner ko. Ayan. For tonight. Gagawin natin yan mamaya, guys. Yun yung dinner ko. Yan. Kung paano ko siya gagawin. Very simple, right? Because, totoo talaga sinabi nila, pag doon ka na sa ibang bansa, mamimiss mo talaga yung pagkain sa Pinas. Yeah, kung anong mga food natin na napaka-simple lang, diba? Mahilig kasi ako sa yung mga ganyan, mga gulay. Ang sarap. Hindi talaga mawala ang pork kasi mahilig ako sa pork. Yeah. Chicken, ganun. Hindi talaga ako sa pork. Hihila lang ako sa fish. Pero sarap naman ang fish. Oo. Ang sarap. Sarap talaga. I like it. Buksan na kaya natin ito. Sarap. Ayan. Tingnan natin, guys. Wow. Napakasarap talaga, guys. Ayan. Sa Dubai to, guys. Dubai restaurant here, close to my house. Yeah. So yummy, right? Very yummy. So yummy, guys. Yeah. Very, very, very yummy. Yeah. I really like their coffee, guys. golden, that's Saudi restaurant, Saudi store, and then they have golden nuts coffee. Yeah, the names of their coffee, it's golden nuts coffee. Yeah, the aroma of their coffee is so very wow. So yeah, I really like the aroma of the coffee there. Mm. Mm. I like the cucumber, guys. See, let's eat. See what is my breakfast? Only this one, right? Mm. Very healthy. Mm. Only that, cucumber, apple, and carrot. Mm. And I put a dressing with that. Very simple, right? Mm. We don't need to miss our breakfast even just like only this. Even only salad. Because, you know, it's really nice if we have, breakfast. Grabe, sobrang simple lang. Mm. Mm. So guys, yan na yun yung videos ko kasi uubusin ko to. Tapos mamaya my dinner, I will show ko sa inyo guys kung ano yung dinner ko. Yan. Kung paano ko gawin. So, dito lang muna ngayon guys. So guys, have a good day to you there. So, in the Philippines, I think it's 1 o'clock there na, 1:15, yeah, early in the morning. But here it's 11 o'clock 15 in the morning. Yeah, so we're so very different time, guys. I know, yeah, all of you there is sleeping. So as of now, this is my breakfast because it's still morning today. So have a good day too there, guys. So this is Ellie Betty for your vloggers in the Philippines. But for now, we are here in Minnesota. So show ko na lang, nag-show talaga ako sa inyo guys kung ano yung buhay ko dito. Ayan, napakasimple lang guys. So guys, have a good day and God bless you all. And hoping you subscribe my YouTube channel, guys, Ellie Betty. Don't forget to click the like and leave a comment. I don't want to miss to reply your comment there, guys. So I've been here because I post in Facebook, in all of my apps that I post my videos. So I really, really appreciate, guys, if you subscribe me. So thank you so much. So God bless you all. Have a good day. Bye. Bye. Bye.